Hey, what's up guys, it's Malakan here. Welcome back to another fun Java tutorial. So in today's video, we're going to be learning Java trim method. So let's get started. So first of all, we're going to be starting off by importing Java, the scanner. So import java.util.scanner. And then we're going to do scanner. For example, scanner is equals to new scanner system.in. And then we're going to put semicolon. And then now let's do the real code here. So first of all, we're gonna start off by writing system.out.println. Inside of the parentheses, we're gonna write double quotation marks. A double quotation mark, and inside we're gonna write enter a string, just like that. And then we're gonna name it. And then in order to write it, obviously we gotta write this code. So string is equals to new is equals to scanner dot next scanner with the s scanner dot next line. Now you might be wondering, why are we using next line? Because we want to enter a string, not an integer, not a double, not a float, an integer. So in order to enter a string, we gotta write dot next line. Now let's start by doing the trim part, like to trim it. Now basically, what trim means exactly? Well, basically trim, basically, like for example, if you write hello, hello, you write in space and then hello, and then you add some spaces, and then so it's gonna display the result over here. But when you trim it, it's gonna display the result over here. So do you understand the difference? It's basically just gonna cut out all the white spaces, and yeah, which is pretty cool. So let's continue our code. So we're gonna start off by writing string trimmed string is equals to string dot trim. Alright, now finally let's display the results. System.out.println. Now let's display the original one. So original, we're gonna display it by writing string, and then we're gonna end it up with semicolon. Now system.out.println, we're gonna write the trimmed string, which is trimmed string, plus we're gonna trimmed string plus trimmed string, just like that. And then finally we're gonna add the semicolon, obviously. Now the code is a little bit big now, so hopefully you can see it. I'm just gonna maybe zoom out. Maybe it's gonna help you guys see the code much better. Yeah, look, import java.util.scanner, scanner. So this code is basically very simple to do, and it basically just requires the trim method and scanner and system.out.println and some two-line code. That's it. So in total, it makes I think 40-line code, which is pretty awesome. So yeah. So let's just do the review. Scanner system.out.println string is equal to scanner.next line, because we are doing it with string. Now string, we're starting a new string called trimmed string, and then we're